I am Karuna and I will be demonstrating Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle, in very simple terms, simply tells us that high velocity will always be followed by a decrease in pressure in that area. Now, Bernoulli's principles had applications in the building of planes. So, the airfoil is designed in a way that it can give the lift and allow the airplane to fly in the air. Next, I would give you an interesting daily life example. It is the yellow line that we see on the platforms. So, there, the line is actually there because of the Bernoulli's principle. Now, when the train is moving with a high speed, what happens is in the vicinity of that train, there is a low pressure area created. So, if you go across, you go inside the yellow line, then there is a possibility that you will be pulled towards the train and there could be a fatal accident. Now, I'll be demonstrating Bernoulli's principle using two simple, pieces of paper. So, let's consider that if I am blowing the paper from this side, what will happen is the paper will go this side, right? And the other paper, if I'm blowing it from this side, it's going to go this way. So let's see, it goes outways. Now, a question to you. What will happen if I hold the papers like this and if I blow the air between it? Some of you might have guessed the papers may go this way, outside. But let's see what actually happens. So I hold it here and I'm going to blow air between the papers. Did you see that? So the paper actually stuck to each other. They came close to each other rather than going outwards. I'll do it again. Yes. So why does this happen? It happens because there is a high velocity wind that I'm blowing in this region between the paper. So the region between the paper becomes low pressure and the outside is high pressure. Now, any object would always tend to go from a high pressure to a low pressure area. And that's the reason why this is high pressure, this is high pressure, and the between is the low pressure. So the paper tends to go from high pressure to the low pressure, and that's why it sticks. So this was a simple demonstration of Bernoulli's principle used in airplanes, as I said. So the airfoil is made with a different kind of shape, right? What happens there is that the velocity of the wind is higher on the above, creating a low pressure above, and the velocity of the air is low, creating a high pressure. So the airplane gets a lift from high pressure to low pressure, and that's why airplanes can fly. I hope these examples and the demonstration made it easier for you to understand what is Bernoulli's principle. Thank you.